When people say all you need is the perfect strategy or all you need is to copy and paste, they are lying to you. They are lying to you. Don't believe them. Don't believe them. If you're losing money, you need to be watching this video till the very end, because this might literally save you your coin. This is information that I can give y'all for free because I want everybody to be knowing this. To feel like lost or feel alone or feel like, oh, what's wrong with me? Like, I have this like great strategy that's working for others, but I keep losing money and I don't know why. This is the why, and this is the how can I stop it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nay. First of all, before I even get into it, thank you guys for subscribing. Since my last video, I gained a little over 300 subscribers and that's super exciting. You guys must have subscribed for a reason. I've been getting lots of requests of people for me to do another video, kind of an update type. I thought instead of doing an update, I would do this video first, since I think this might be a little more educational and a little bit more helpful to people who are trading. Today, I'm here to shed some light on some of the things that people really don't talk about when it comes to Forex. And I wouldn't really say they're hiding it or doing it on purpose. I think just in general in the Forex community, these are things that not a lot of people talk about or emphasize. It's always about, I bought a Lamborghini. I got a mortgage after 1 month of trading. Sis, what we're not gonna do is fool these people. We're here to make money. We're not here to lose money, okay? Let's get into it. People make Forex seem as though it's like a get-rich-quick scheme. It's like this really easy method of how to make millions of dollars within like a few months. This then causes people to immediately jump into creating a live account. They start trading using high lot sizes, over leveraging their accounts, blowing their money away just for no reason. And I believe that most of the time it's due to lack of knowledge. Like, people just don't know better, they just jump in. And since Forex truly is a very lucrative market, lots of feelings get involved when you start trading. Feelings like fear, greed, impatience, all those things. Forex really brings those things out of you. People fail to realize that the secret to how people are out here making millions of dollars from trading is this: having your trading psychology in check. Okay, it's that simple. You're probably wondering, what is trading psychology? Trading psychology basically just comprises the emotions and thoughts that you experience while trading, and that are ultimately going to determine your success or failure. It basically represents various aspects of your character and your behavior, such as impatience, such as greed, fear, thinking irrationally. And a lot of the time I've noticed that whenever people promote Forex as a source of income, it's usually like portrayed as this get-rich-quick scheme, easy way of making money, fast way of making money. But the truth is, if you want long-term substantial success in trading, you'll have to face yourself first. You'll have to literally dismantle all the dysfunctional and negative behavioral patterns that you have as a person, and that can take years. It takes traders, professional traders who are professional today, who started out as amateurs, it takes them years, and it's a continuous process, right? So then the question becomes, how do you go about dismantling these dysfunctional patterns? How do you go about improving and becoming a better person to be able to make more profit? Because people are pretty inexperienced, they just jump straight into trading with their own hard-earned money, and they lose it all because they over leverage. They stay in trades for too long. They pull out of trades prematurely because of the fear of losing money. They enter trades without doing their analysis correctly. And all those things result from mainly fear and greed. You can have a strategy that's 90%, 95% accurate if your trading mentality and mind frame aren't in the right place. You are gonna lose money, honey, and we don't want to be losing money. We want to be making money trading, okay? On top of that, there are also external pressures from society. You see all these other traders promoting whatever they are buying with their money that you don't even know how they got. You might have financial issues in your own situation or within your family, or you might have actually family members putting that pressure on you to, make money, bring in money. All these things affect the way you approach the markets and how you enter and and exit trades. When people say all you need is the perfect strategy or all you need is to copy and paste, they are lying to you. They are lying to you. Don't believe them. Don't believe them. Yes, having a proper strategy is key. However, personally, I would say using a strategy that's fairly accurate takes like 20% out of the entire trading itself. Like, I feel like 80% is mainly based on your trading psychology and not actually your strategy. That's like my opinion, what I've experienced so far. So it's one thing to know that you have an issue and that you have a problem and that you keep losing money because you're just being greedy at times or you're scared at times or whatever. Another thing is to actually find a solution for it. So that's what I'm here to provide you with. So how do you get your trading psychology in check? Well, I basically have like 3 main points. I feel like there's a lot more that I could talk about, but I just want to condense it. So first point would be you need to introspect. You need to sit down and look in the mirror and ask yourself, what am I afraid of? And why am I afraid of whatever it is? It just helps you be in control of your reaction to that specific situation you might find yourself in again while you're trading. And in that case, you'll be prepared for it. You'll know, okay, in this situation, this is my typical reaction. Let me not react that way. And then you're just being more self-aware in those situations where you panic or you get scared. For example, one thing that often happened to me in the very beginning of my trading journey was that I would prematurely exit trades because I would see a tiny retracement or a hint of a reversal, but it wasn't really a reversal. Then I would pull out real quick and like take that L, and then like an hour later I'll actually move into the right direction, and if I had stayed in, I would actually be in profit at that moment. So that's something that frequently happens to lots of people, I've noticed. One thing that can help against that is to only trade what you see with numerous confirmations. So I would say like 3 confirmations and up, depending on whatever strategy it is you're using, but you need to have like solid confirmation that the market is going to be moving in this direction or that direction, and then you can enter without having to worry that there might be a reversal or it might head the opposite way or whatever. So the second tip that I have relates more to greed and how you can control it. One thing that I found that really helped me was to set a daily maximum profit amount and a daily maximum loss amount. For example, if I lose $10 in one day, once I hit -10, I am stopping. I'm out. I'm gonna put my phone away. I'm gonna close MetaTrader 4 and I'm gonna stop trading for the entire day. Sit down and reflect and think about what went wrong, what did I do wrong. Maybe the market's actually just, sometimes it's just the market's like, your analysis could be as accurate as you might think it is, but the market is still going to do its thing, right? It will keep you from revenge trading, which is basically you lose money and then you're like, oh shoot, I lost money, like I need to make it back like real quick, and then you enter into trades without really thinking straight. So that's what a daily maximum loss amount will do for you, and also a maximum profit amount where it's like, hey, your goal for the day was $10, but you ended up making 50, and now you've made an unexpected amount of money, and that's where greed can really get you and get you to enter more trades, and then you actually lose $70. It used to happen to me a lot as well. So a maximum profit amount can really help you control what it is you're doing. So if you say my goal is $10, I've made $10, I'm out, that will really prevent you from, first of all, losing money, from getting greedy and trying to make more. That's where I'd say definitely stop, because that's where we can really pick you and be like, I choose you, you won't lose your cash today. But we're not gonna do that. So that's a key point to note down. And I hope while you're watching this video you're actually taking notes, because these things are very important. You can easily forget them while you're trading. It's good to always have this in front of you before you enter a trade so that you can always go through it. And by the way, before I move on to my third point, if you've been liking this video so far, don't mind giving it a thumbs up. Don't mind subscribing. If you want more videos like these, let me know. Comment below, give this a thumbs up. Moving on. So my third point is relating to the feeling of regret or FOMO. FOMO basically standing for, fear of missing out. If you're trading with a community and, they're, exchanging trading ideas, or they're sending signals to each other or whatever, you might feel like you're missing out of money, like there's literally money running away. I'm basically losing money by not trading. That can really have you lose lots of money as well, because you will then impulsively get into a trade without doing your proper analysis, and then you might end up losing money instead of making money. So what you can do to control your FOMO is to set specific times during the day that you're gonna be trading. Me, I only enter trades between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. So that's a 3-hour time span. Say I wake up at 6 and I watch the markets and I don't immediately see a good setup. I'm gonna probably wait for an hour. At 7, check up on it again. If I do catch a setup, I'm gonna enter my trades right then and there. You know, proper risk management, everything. If before 9 a.m. I don't catch any other good setups, I'm done entering trades. If at 3 p.m. somebody's like, yo, gold is dropping, y'all, sell gold, y'all, don't do it, because you're basically going against your trading plan. It's very important to realize that it's not just, you can't just be hopping on every bandwagon. Okay, follow strict guidelines that will really help you, because over time you'll realize this is a skill that it takes a lot of work on yourself, and you can't rely on others to help you keep making that money for an extended period of time. So those are the 3 main points of this video. The key things that I want you to take away from this video is that trading in the foreign exchange market, it's not a piece of cake, okay? It's not that easy, especially if you want it to be sustainable and if you really want to learn that skill for yourself instead of just copy and pasting somebody else's signal. It does require dedication. You need to be dedicated and willing to face yourself, to work on yourself, and to improve on those things that aren't helping you. Also, trading psychology is everything. It's everything. It can make or break your success. So if you're looking for motivational content relating to trading psychology, then follow my brand on Instagram called FemTrader. We are basically a brand that envisions a female community coming together to empower each other. Yay! And the main goal of FemTrader is to basically highlight the importance of trading psychology, because that is really not emphasized by a lot of people, and a lot of people don't really know the high value of it. So if you are about that life, make sure you follow us. Let me know that you're from this video. Let me know if this video helped you and if you learned something new and helpful and valuable, because that's what I want to be doing. I want to be offering you guys valuable information that can actually, you know, further you in life. If you guys like this video, feel free to subscribe, give it a thumbs up so that I know you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions related to trading, any video requests, even apart from Forex, let me know in the comments down below. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.